everyone, are you ready to explore how tech is reshaping the way we grow? What ends up on our plates? We are diving into modern farming, where agriculture meets cutting edge technology to build a sustainable future. So, what exactly is modern farming? Farmers using sensors, drones, and robots instead of guesswork and heavy labor. These little gadgets make farming more efficient and eco friendly. Here's how.
Sensors. These little gadgets track soil moisture, temperature, and plant growth. Farmers can use this data to make smart decisions. Computers. Analyzing sensor data helps in optimizing resources like water and fertilizers. No more guesswork. Robots. From planting to milking cows, robots handle the heavy lifting with precision, giving farmers more time. Drones. High flying helpers that monitor crops and give farmers an aerial view of what's happening down on the ground. Welcome to the precision farming revolution. This is where farmers use data to make super specific decisions. No more one size fits all. GPS and GIS mapping helps farmers target areas for treatments like fertilizers and pesticides, reducing waste and boosting yield. Soil moisture sensors tells farmers exactly when to water, saving water and promoting healthy growth. Variable rate technology lets them apply fertilizers in just the right amount based on the field conditions. It's like the farmers are becoming superheroes for the fields, right? Let's go vertical. Vertical farming is an amazing solution for urban agriculture. Think indoor farms where plants grow in stacked layers using hydroponics or aeroponics. Higher yields with less space, year-round production no matter the weather, and it uses way less water and no pesticides. Sure, the setup costs are high, but the benefits huge.
Automation is game changing. Imagine autonomous tractors planting and plowing 24/7, or robotic milking systems letting cows milk themselves whenever they feel like it. Plus, automated harvesters are picking fruits faster than ever without damaging them. The result? Fresher and better quality produce hitting your table.
Now, let's talk about the Internet of Things. IoT. It's connecting everything sensors, devices, machines to help farmers monitor and optimize every part of their operation in real time. Precision agriculture. Sensors track soil and crop conditions so farmers only use water and fertilizers where it's needed. Livestock monitoring. IoT devices monitor the health and behavior of animals, improving welfare and productivity. Supply chain management. Track your food from farm to table, ensuring safety and quality. How cool is that? AI is the brain behind the operation, from detecting crop diseases to predicting yields and weather. AI is helping farmers make smart decisions. It also powers autonomous systems, robots, and drones that plant, harvest, and monitor crops all on their own. AI means less waste, better yields, and more profit for farmers. Let's raise a fork to the future of farming. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and see you next time.